This is the second of the total of 4 videos concerning the MAB Model CD pistol. This involved field stripping. First step, of course, is to remove the magazine, open the slide, verify that the pistol is indeed empty. Now place the safety on, grasp the pistol firmly, press in on the recoil spring plug, turn it slightly counterclockwise, it comes loose, and the entire spring will come out. Be careful, that's under fairly heavy tension. Now release the safety. Slide to the rear, and again engage the safety to keep it in place. At this point we can turn it over. We can see the open ejector port, and we can see the end of the barrel, and the ejector slot is located opposite the extractor, excuse me. Now turn the barrel to the counterclockwise from the front until it goes to that position. You may have to jiggle the slide a little bit to do that. At this point, release the safety, and now we want to take one step to assure that the striker is indeed fired. We put the magazine back in the gun, safety's off, return it to the battery position, and then depress the grip safety, pull the trigger. You can hear that the striker was indeed cocked, but is now released. Now we can release the magazine, remove it, and with the barrel unlocked and the safety off, we can just remove the entire slide from the pistol. You can see now with the slide removed, if we turn the barrel back, rotate it back this direction, then the barrel can easily be removed. And now we can simply slide the striker firing pin with its spring and guide out the back of the pistol, and we have it completely field stripped. The reassembly is simply reverse the operation with a couple of cautions. Put the striker and its spring and guide pin back in, leaving the guide pin protruding about 1/2 inch. Place the barrel back in the slide, line it up and turn it so that it is fully turned and the extractor slot is visible there. Now we put the slide back on the frame, and as we slide it back, I want to make sure that the striker spring guide is in that hole at the back of the frame. Now we have the unit in battery. We can lock it here to keep it in place, but we'll take it all the way back against the spring tension. Now at this point, being a little, maybe having to wiggle the barrel a little bit so that it can easily slide by till it gets to the open position. At which point it should lock, except with having a little, keep the grip safety depressed. Now it's back to the open position. We can now turn the barrel until it is recaptured by the frame. and at this point the barrel is reinstalled. Remove the safety. You'll notice that it goes forward to battery with a little assistance from the striker spring, and now the recoil spring can be reinstalled, pressed in firmly till the plug enters the slide. Push it all the way in and then turn it back toward you, and now the recoil spring is indeed fully engaged. We should release the safety, cock the gun completely, put the magazine in with it off safe, squeeze the grip safety, pull the trigger, and indeed it did fire. The gun is now uncocked, on safe, and completely back together. The next videos will cover the internal operation of the pistol in full.